A lipoma, fatty tissue or skin lumps, is a benign overgrowth of fatty tissue cells that is most often situated between your skin and the underlying muscle layer. They grow very slowly or remain the same size, and are small and movable. They are painless and have a soft, rubbery consistency. They can occur almost anywhere in the body, but most often, they are located on the torso, upper thighs, neck, upper arms, and armpits. Lipomas aren't cancer and don't turn into cancer. In general, treatment isn't necessary, but if the lipoma bothers you, is painful, or is growing, we offer you a natural way to remove it. Homemade treatment recipe. All you need to do is to prepare an ointment, cream, using natural oils and herbs. Experiment with a combination of different herbs and oils. Natural oils such as neem oil and flaxseed make an excellent base for ointments. Apart from these beneficial oils, cold green tea is a great alternative for your base, for it is high in antioxidants that help regulate blood sugar and blood fats. Flaxseed oil is abundant in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These acids help to reduce inflammation. However, always opt for flaxseed oil which is certified to be free of heavy metals, such as lead and mercury. On the other hand, neem oil, Azadirachta indica, was commonly used in ancient Indian medicine to treat lipomas, as it is an astringent that helps protect your skin. Then, you should massage the areas with lipoma with this ointment. This massage will lower the pain.